Look at this image, and now this one. You can see the difference. Both images feature the same product, but the second one is professionally presented. However, what if I tell you that both are the same image, with the second one just enhanced with AI? Sounds unbelievable. Don't worry. In this video, I am going to introduce an AI-powered platform that can make you a pro-level product photographer without a costly camera or lavish environment. So, without further ado, let's dive in. Introducing Flair.ai, one of the best platforms for product photography. Here, you can design your still life, furniture, or food product photography with stunning templates. Stage scenes digitally with drag and drop props. Bring them to life with AI. Mix and match products with templates. You can even fit your clothes onto AI-generated models. Create high-quality on-model imagery at scale. To find Flair AI, open your browser and then search for Flair AI on Google or any other search engine. After getting the search result, enter the first result. This is the Flair AI homepage. Now you have to create an account. Click on Get Started, it's free from here. Create an account with your Google or email account. Once you create an account, your interface will look like this. On the left side of the page, you will notice the project. Here, you will find the project you have worked on. As this is my first time on Flair, it's blank. In the middle of the page, you will get options to create new projects. There are two options. The first one is to create product photography, and the second one is to create fashion projects. We will explore them one by one. On the right side of the page, you will notice a tutorial. You can read them carefully for a better understanding. Okay, let's do some real design. Click on the Create New Project from here. Once a new project is created, you will find a sample design like this. This is the asset panel, and this one is the preview panel. If you change or customize any object from the asset panel, you will see a real-time preview on the preview panel. Now the question is, how can we add our own product? For that, we have to come to this Assets tab. Here, you will notice some product samples. To upload any product image, click here and then upload the image. For example, I am uploading this one. Before uploading any image, make sure your product has a monocolor or a simple background. It will be good if your product has no background. Once you upload the image, Flair will automatically detect the background. Simply click on the Remove button from here. Now, we have to describe our product. As you can see, it automatically detects the product. We can customize the product name or description if needed. Make sure you have entered a perfect description of your product. After doing that, hit the Continue button, and our product has been added to the asset panel. Now, I will delete all the existing assets. After that, come to the Generate tab. On the top, you will notice a prompt. We will customize it to generate a great image. Don't worry, we don't need to be a master at prompt engineering to do this. If you click on the prompt, you will notice some are being detected. Basically, the prompt has four parts. First, the product name, placement type, placement object, and background. You will find them under the prompt. First, the product. If you want to change the product description, change it from here. After that, set the placement type. I am selecting lying on. After that, set the placement object from here. Here, you will find a vast number of objects. Select one of them. After that, set the background type, and then set a background. Next, set the number of output images. You can generate up to 4 images at a time. After that, the reference image. You can add a reference design image. Then you can set color correction, render strength, color strength, and outline strength. After all is set, scroll up and hit the Generate button from here. It will take around 30 to 45 seconds. And here it is. You can see Flair generates 2 images for us. You can see the quality. It did a great job. Now the question is, what if you don't have any idea about the placement and background? Still, you can generate outstanding product design. On the Templates tab from here, you will find a vast number of ready-to-use templates. You just have to select a template from here and then hit the Generate button. And here it is. Flair generates another 2 designs for us, and the quality is excellent. I really love it. So now you can generate stunning product photography without any design knowledge. Not only that, but you can also upgrade your product design to the next level. You can add elements from the Elements tab. Here, you will find a vast number of elements. You just have to select from here. After selecting the elements, place them on the Asset tab. After that, come to the Generate tab and hit the Generate button. And here it is. You can see the result. How are they? Let me know in the comment section. Now, to download any image, select the image and then come to the Edit tab. Here, you will notice some settings, such as removing the background, magic erase, upscale, or making variations. Some of them are for pro users. And in the end, you will find the Download button. If you want to edit something, do it, and then hit the Download button to save the image on your device. In this way, you can elevate your product photography to the next level. Okay, now let's see the fashion photography feature. Click on the Back to Project from here. After coming to the project page, click on Create Fashion Project. Now, we have to upload the product image. At this moment, you can upload only tops, t-shirts, or sweaters. I will use one of the sample products. After selecting the product, select a pose from here. After that, hit the Continue to Generate button from here. On the next page, you will find the cloth, model, and background description. You can customize them if needed. After that, hit the Generate button. And here is the result image. You can see how seamlessly it generates the model. That's really impressive. To download the image, click on the Download Result Image button from here. In this way, you can generate pro-level product photography and fashion photography designs with AI. Alright, friends, I will wrap up our video now. Before that, I would love to hear your opinion about product photography with Flair AI. Share your thoughts and results in the comment section below. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful and subscribe to our channel for more amazing tutorials like this one. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, happy creating!